But here we go, driven diesel performance, the 01 to 10 GM Duramax 2500, 3500 power steering line kit. You know it's leaking. Go check it out today, right now. Go out to your truck, look at it. It's leaking. You want to get this kit, you want to install it.
Welcome back to Roadsteading. Ben and Lauren here, and today we are doing project old truck to new truck.
You know, you got a nice driveway, dripping in your driveway. You don't want that. Wife's mad. Come on, fix it.
Today we are replacing these old, dirty, seeping power steering lines with these upgraded power steering lines from Driven Diesel Performance. And no, this is not a sponsored video, so let's get into it.
Directions. Apparently we can scan something here. Get your phone out. I know if you have an iPhone 1, you probably can't scan. But if you have an iPhone above that, you can probably get away with it. Hopefully it works. I don't know. I don't have my phone on me. But it's probably going to work. But it's pretty basic. You know, you got hoses. They got fittings, and you unhook them, and you put them back in. It's easy peasy.
So we have the new lines from Driven Diesel laid out here alongside the lines we pulled out of the truck. Now these we purchased from Napa about 5 or 6 years ago, and they've probably been seeping for the last 5 or 6 years. Seeping seems to be an issue with these power steering lines, and Driven Diesel says that they have fixed the seeping issue. Now with these been seeping the last 5 or 6 years, it seeps. It didn't really bother me because it still functioned well. But with us going into wintertime and us being on the road full time, I didn't know how much time I had left in these hoses. And I know when they go very quickly because, well, this is the second line that we have installed in our 2007 Silverado Classic Duramax. These are the second lines. And now we found these, and I thought, well, that's interesting. I like the crimps a lot more than the crimps that came with these ones. And what's really cool about these is these are the hard lines here, and they match the same shape as the original hard lines. But the hose, the hydraulic hose that goes between them, there's now a fitting. So now when this hose goes bad, you can take it in, go get another hose made, and then just reinstall it. I like that. I like the crimp was better. And I think it was time for us to change these after 5 years. Extreme cold, extreme heat, and just take something off the list to worry about as we travel across the country.
Don't forget your O-rings, guys. It's going to leak.
Now, this is not going to be a full install video on how to install these power steering lines. But it is very important to have flare nut wrenches for these flare fittings. You can get away without flare wrenches. I did it for years, but eventually it will catch up with you. So if you don't want to damage the fitting, you need a flare nut wrench.
Of $269 to $299?
$2.99.
$2.99. Was that include shipping?
There was no shipping.
I can bargain either way. But $2.99 for these guys. But in the box included a sticker. I just can't wait because, guys, look at it's gonna go right there. I'm putting them. This is the best quality parts that you can put in your truck. Driven diesel, guys.